The product you're building itself is more of a proof of concept, not so much the whole thing. So it's okay to also have things there that don't necessarily work. Like if you're building a social network platform, it's okay to have likes that aren't really implemented in the back end. Quite frankly, it's also okay to have a back end that's not entirely perfect, simply because judges don't really care about that. So don't waste too much time on it. Of course, you should still have a code base because they may still check if you did actually code, but don't try to fight to make it perfect. Good thing that may help you is finding out who the judges are, because the thing is, if none of the judges are technical people, your technical abilities may not give you as many points. So if the judges are not on the technical side, then you know that you need to kind of give a flashy, very good looking, promising idea. But if your judges are a bit more technical, then you need to then still prioritize technically being able to account for this product, because they will obviously ask you very technical questions. So it might give you an advantage if you know exactly who is judging you. You may not know that, and you shouldn't know that, but if you can get that information, it would also help you. Another point is some hackathons, I think most hackathons will have mentors. Take advantage of the mentors. Just from a technical side, when I was at the hackathon, I started using Elastic Beanstalk. And the cool thing was, some of the judges, one of them was like, I actually haven't coded in a while, but they used to be a senior developer. So a senior developer who hasn't coded in a while is still better than a single junior developer trying to figure it out at midnight. And also with non-technical mentors, sometimes there are non-technical mentors who understand the product side of things. And those mentors are also extremely helpful because they understand the problem, but also they understand which solutions will work. They understand which solutions they're kind of looking for, which solutions are interesting to them, because the mentors are also the closest thing to the judges. When it comes to demoing, it's important to demo the solution, not the product. So most of the time we had like 3 minutes to demo, and we used a little bit more time than we should have demoing the problem. And the thing is, the judges, the mentors, everyone, even you understand the problem. They've taken a considerable amount of time to explain to you what the problem is. They've highlighted it. They've probably sent you emails explaining world problems and how you can use technology to solve them. Don't waste time on stage presenting your idea as a problem. When your team is asked how you guys should work, it's really important to show a united front, right? Whether you were a united front or whether you're not a united front, now is not the time. If you couldn't get that person out of your team during the hackathon, if you let a person not do work, when you get on stage, it's not time to tell the world that that person didn't do anything. So you need to show a united front, show that you had fun and you worked together. It makes the hackathon look good. It makes the judges feel like they made, a real impact in your lives. It makes the sponsors feel that this event was worth it and it went successfully well. And it just gives a positive aura to your team. Yeah, and thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for listening to my tips. I hope that you learned something and you're also maybe better prepared for hackathons and you will have fun in the future. Remember, it's really a great opportunity to have fun, to meet new people, and sometimes you learn something new, sometimes you teach other people something new. And don't have the fear that you don't belong or you won't fit in or you're not smart enough. Trust me, you will either have a groundbreaking opportunity to learn to work under pressure, or an opportunity to teach someone else something new, or to prove to yourself how good you are. Like I went to the Valley and I helped build in 48 hours. We built a working product that we're all very proud of, even if we didn't win. And for me, it gave me a huge confidence boost in terms of my abilities because I worked on the back end alone. And I stayed up for 20 hours, like 20 hours straight out coding, building this because I was really actually passionate about the solution. I think it's a great solution. And that's a once in a lifetime experience that I gave to myself. So yeah, go out there, have fun, learn, make a lot of mistakes. Don't take credit for other people's work. Thank you so much for watching my channel. My name is Swahudimo Matlapeng, and please subscribe and like Sunshine and my coach. You can follow me on my social media, comment below. Remember to comment below on any of the tips that you would like to share. Thank you.